Gene Gallen here, and I was just at the State of Chatham presentation by Aaron for, well, shoot, he had us sitting there for over an hour and a half. But before it started, there was food here.
There was. They had breakfast catered, big catered event for all of the partners in our community, business leaders, you know, people that are invested in our community here in Chatham.
All right, and what's, you're sitting here with what?
So
One,
I'm
two,
standing
three,
here-
seven, 8, 9.
9 tins of food
Nine
that
tins of food.
ordinarily would have been tossed, right? You have leftover food. Where's it going to go? Sarah Cooney and Susan White with the Root Cellar Chapel Hill have now created a program called Feed Well Fridges. We are now coordinating with grocery stores, farmers, restaurants to make sure that this food waste doesn't go in the trash. It goes into our fridges. We have 2 fridges, one in Siler City outside of Countryside Collectibles and one outside of Cora. This food will go back to the Root Cellar today. It will be repurposed into individual meals. Those meals will go into the fridges and it is there for anybody in need. No questions. You just go and take what you need.
Okay, so when you say repurpose, you're actually doing what with it?
Packaging the meals into individual containers so people can just go and take, all they need to be is reheated or just eaten.
So you're basically going to take 1, 2, 4, we
Yeah.
said 9, 9.
Yeah.
And it's going to be repackaged so it's an easy pickup.
Easy pickup, simple. If you're hungry, if you need food, you don't have to have a reason. You don't have to explain yourself. You just go and take that food. It's there for everybody.
All right, well that brings up a thing. Aaron had mentioned that the poverty rate in Chatham has gone up a little bit.
Has gone up.
But the food insecurity level has gone down. And I guess this program that Sarah's running,
yeah.
is part of that
growing.
reason.
Our fridges are filled every day of the week, sometimes 2 times a day, and the food is depleted within an hour of each fill.
Okay, when you say a fridge, we're not talking about a little
No,
fridge.
it's a full-size fridge that would be in your home.
All right.
A full-size fridge, and there's frozen items and refrigerated items. So a lot of times we'll have soups in the freezers that you can take and put in your fridge and home, but all the food in the fridge is ready to go. All
Right.
you need to do is heat it.
If somebody wants to or has food that can be repurposed,
We would love it.
okay, what do they need to do?
All you got to do is reach out to the Root Cellar Pittsboro. You can go on our Facebook page and send us a message.
And the Facebook page is?
The Root Cellar Chapel Hill or
Okay.
Root Cellar Pittsboro. Either one will directly link you. You can just send a message through that portal and Susan and Sarah will get right back to you.
All right, what if I'm out old school and want to call?
Just
Can I do that?
call and leave a voicemail.
All right, what number do I call?
Oh man.
Oh, no, it's okay, no pressure while you're doing that.
I don't have it on the top of my head.
We'll look you don't have that number on the top of your head? Oh my gosh.
I can look it up.
Well, once you look it up, while you're looking up, we'll play some music, or we'll say, hey man, look at all this. And look, if you're looking for a spot to have an event, come out to the Chatham Ag Center. It was
Yep.
big enough to host this event. I got a call, find out
Yep.
from Cindy how many folks. I mean, she packed people in
I
there.
pack people in, and all these events and business events, business lunches, there's always leftover food. And now instead of it going in the trash, we can find ways to feed the people that are really in need.
Gotcha.
People that need that food. And if you need a number to call,
Here it comes.
757
757
581
581
5718.
5718. That number again,
That number
no pressure.
757 581 5718.
All right, so folks, you now have no excuse. Don't let food go to waste.
No.
Let's get it
We would be
repurposed.
so thrilled to have it.
And let's cut down on that food insecurity, and let's all do Chatham well. Thank you very
Absolutely.
much.
Thank you guys.